Hi, my name is Mark. I am founder at Plip and ex-software engineer. So Plip is a service where you, as a founder, can create your own AI sales rep in just 5 minutes. You might ask yourself, why do you need it? Well, there are several problems that we're helping and trying to solve. First of all, if you respond to your customers in more than 5 minutes, the conversion rates drop significantly, so your SLA and FRT is crucial so that you can basically optimize your sales and not lose leads just because you answer for too long. Also, if you don't work in the nighttime and your customer texts you in the nighttime, well, it's the same thing. If customer wants to purchase something right now, he will not be able to do it with your service. And that's when Plip comes in. You can just create your AI sales rep and that's it. Also, the reason we're doing it is because we see a lot of solutions that don't actually work, because people do not actually understand how to implement LLMs in business scenarios. That's why when you create your AI sales rep with Plip, you don't have to prompt, you don't have to select the LLM, you don't have to worry about anything. You just tell us about your business and Plip does the rest. So just give it a shot and let's actually see how it works. So let's say I have a business, for example, I have Flower Boutique, and I want to create an AI sales rep for my business. All I have to do for this is just go to plip.app and click this one button, create an AI sales rep. I think that's pretty simple, right? So here we have to answer really basic questions about our business. So for example, here I need to enter really basic details. So once it's done, I have to also clarify goals. So for example, in what tone should the AI sales rep talk to my customers, and what writing style should he use? Because we want to make sure that our customers do not know that they're talking to AI and that the process is really seamless. Because if customer understands that he talks to basically a robot, your conversion rate will be dropped. And I also need to specify what is the main goal of the AI salesperson, because we also provide analytics so that you can see your conversion rates and other stuff. So for this, we need to know what the AI sales rep should achieve in the conversation with the customer. So next is a very important step where we basically describe our ideal script. It's not a chatbot which will follow this really strictly, but we need to understand what is the ideal script of the chat with your customer in your own words, because you know the business the most because you're the founder. So you basically need to describe what kind of steps we need to do, what questions to ask, so that we have the highest possibility of converting customer to your specific action, for example, for purchasing a bouquet. So in my case, once everything is done, I want him to redirect him to the manager so that the manager can proceed with payment and actually ordering a delivery. So just make sure that our AI agents can redirect human to an operator, and you will be able to see notifications once your help is needed. Finally, we need to upload some information about your business. You can basically upload your Instagram, your website, you can write manually your prices, or if you have some files, maybe you have pricing or something else, you can also provide it. So here, our goal is to give as much info as we can so that our AI sales rep knows our products, our pricing, our address, and all the other stuff that customer can ask. Once it's done, just click this one button, and in approximately 3 minutes, everything is going to be done. Okay, so once everything is done, we need to sign up to save our AI sales rep. We also have a free trial of 3 days, so just feel free to sign up with either Google or email. Finally, I need to provide some details about myself. And click sign up. Okay, everything is done. As you can see, we've been redirected to the dashboard. We see this congratulations, right? And here you can see the getting started page where you can actually see all the steps that you need to do to actually test your AI sales rep, to improve him, and to finally connect him to the needed your channels, your messengers, your CRM system, and all the other stuff. But let's start with testing and let's see how he actually talks to me as if I were a customer. So let's say, hello. And as we can see, we have this response. So, and you actually can chat with your AI agent, your AI sales rep before integrating it to your messengers, so that you can see how people actually work. And it's very important so that you don't get surprised, right? So, and if you don't like something, for example, I don't like this question or how he talks, I can just click this dislike button and say what needs to be changed. For example, if I want to change something like maybe ask different question or anything else, I just can type it, click one button, improve AI sales rep, and Pleap will automatically improve your AI sales based on your feedback. So I think that's really great, right? Finally, once you have tested your AI agent, you have improved him, it's time for integrations. So once you'll be ready to integrate him, you can just go to integration section and see all the integration that we have, that you can actually connect it and make it work, so-called publish it, so that customers can actually talk to him and you will get instant value. Also, it's very important to mention that you will be able to see all the statistics in the screen. For example, conversion to primary goal, number of chats, percentage of chats where AI asked for human help. You'll be able to analyze conversion by days, by months. So it's really, really beneficial. If you don't count your metrics, you'll be able to see them automatically because they'll be counted by us. Thank you so much for your attention and for your time. If you have a business, just give us a shot. The link is in the description. We'll wait for your feedback and have a good day.